Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do the arm circles here on the reformer. So, kneeling arm circles, they're a beast and a half. And despite their name, they really have a little to do with the arms and a lot to do with the legs. So, I'm not saying that there's no arm work in it. There's a ton. But the more you focus on your legs, the easier this exercise is and the more possible it is. I don't think it'd be easier, but more possible. I have one heavy spring on the middle. And when you get on, that's the hardest part. Be really safe. Don't look down and pull on these. Kind of look up and keep your arms kind of behind you so the strap stays slack so you're not in the spring yet. Get your feet underneath you, heels in there like you would for knee stretches, right? So really stay in your feet. The more you practice your knee stretches, the more this exercise is going to be possible. I'm going to reach down through my knees and hug my legs towards each other. So even though they're apart, I am activating everything, my hamstrings, my second butt, my inner thighs. It's all working so that when I look straight ahead and bring my arms forward and do my arm circles, trying to keep my arms in front of my body. So we don't want the spring to take over and pull my arms behind me. It likes to do that, especially on the reverse when it gets harder. So you do 3 to 5 in each direction. You can go into like a shave or a hug. So where you go into shave like you would for rowing or hug, right? I'll talk about those in another video, another time, but just so you know that they are possible and appropriate. But the more I reach my heels into here, the more strength I have to reach up. It's really easy to stick your booty out, let your ribs pop out, you will fall. So keep your tail long, lift your stomach up, reach down through your legs to make this lighter, and then your arms can just circle. Right? I do have people ask if they could do lighter springs. You can. It's not going to help you get strong enough to do heavier springs. I would rather see you put a heavier spring on and just work reaching your arms forward and pulling them back, kind of like a reverse chest expansion, reach and pull back, or circling lower, right? Because it's not a bicep exercise, it's an arm to back connection exercise. And like I said before, it's a leg exercise. So you want to have all this working for you. So you can practice your chest expansion and your thigh stretch, and that will really help you make this a lot more fun. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I'm happy to help you, and know that you can always do your reformer classes with me online at onlinepilatesclasses.com. Thank you so much. See, they're so hard. I'm out of breath and I'm forgetting my words, but I love you and I think you're awesome, and I will see you soon.